Hey, Dewy.McDonald here, Guaranty RV. We got a brand new 2019. It's a Heartland Bighorn. Model number is a 3870. It's the front bath. Pretty cool unit. Let's go take a peek. You walk in, got the nice big grab handle, big aluminum, nice 4 steps going inside. So the front bath actually gives you an extra half bath here with a lot of storage space. There, you got corner sink, porcelain toilet, LEDs, fan above us. You got your a little more storage on the side here, or cabinets there. The residential hinges, both spots open up, close. You got LED lighting in here. You got the great big 18 cubic gas electric refrigerator. It's almost residential side. Actually, this has an ice maker in it. Kind of cool. So you got your Furrion. It's got your convection microwave, 3 burner. These got the big burners, glass oven. This is the newer style. More cabinets above us here. Lots of storage. Storage. Nice wood, solid wood with the nice roller balls right there. You got big counters. It's kind of stuck. Whoa! Anyway, you got the stainless steel double sink. Got storage below us. You got your electric fireplace. Storage on both sides. This has got your great big TV. You got storage above us. It's got your Jensen DVD, CD player. Right there. Pots to put stuff up in there. Solid. Look at that. Okay. Control lights on all sides. You got your ceiling fan above us there. You've got cabinets. This has got your MCD. You got your day and your night. Solid blackout. You got all kinds of view with the big windows. This has got a great big windows on the side. This is your Thomas Paine furniture with your electric recliners, heated, vibrating. It's got your frameless windows that swing out like that, so the rain won't come in sideways. But look at the view here. I mean, when you back into the camp spot at the ocean, man, you got a great view 360 all the way around. LEDs above us, the Whisper Quiet air conditioner here, dual ACs on this. Here's your control panel here. All your slide outs, your water, lights, and whatnot right there. You walk up here, you got a little closet right there to hang some coats. Storage there too above us. Walk into a full-size king bed. Like I said, LEDs above us. You got a dresser, little dresser here. Spot for a TV right there. More storage. We all like storage. Storage under the bed. Bed lifts up. And this is the front bath we're talking about. So what an awesome unit here. You got your great big double shower. Big spot for a washer dryer here, or hanging clothes there. And then you got the big front closet there, cloak closet to hang all your clothes. Both sides open up, so it both opens up for both sides. Nice. Cabinets on both sides of the sink. You got your sink there, Corian countertops, storage underneath, porcelain toilet. So what an awesome unit. I mean, this is beautiful in here. 4 Seasons coach. Like I said, those are the frameless windows. You got your electric awning with LED strips underneath. You got big storage here. It's a heated storage, fully enclosed. You got spot for TV plug in there. Vent right there, so like I said, it's heated storage. Most units don't do that. Got propane tank on this side, one on each side. Got your gel cap front end with your tight turning radius, so if you've got a short box truck. With storage under here. And then here's a plug-in right here for solar. It's pre-wired to the battery, so if you want to charge your battery solarly. Here's your other propane tank here. Here's your controls for your auto leveling, push button, hydraulic jacks, which are nice. So here's all your controlled gray, black water, outdoor shower. Everything's right here in this one location. Lockable. You got a little place to get into some plumbing and stuff there if you need. So like I said, hydraulic. Access to the back of the TV, some plumbing right there. This has got the power cord reel, which is nice. You don't have to fight a cord, electric cord reel that pulls out. It's 50 amp service. So this Bighorn has the fiberglass cap on the rear, which is pre-wired for backup camera, which is kind of cool on the newer trucks. You have that capability. Got a nice heavy-duty ladder to get up on top with LED brake lights. So if you're looking for a nice big 2.5 bath fifth wheel, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.